What causes brakes to squeak or grind? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So first of all, it's kind of interesting to know that all brakes actually do squeak. The squeak is a high frequency vibration of the brake pad, kind of like a guitar string, if you will. They tried to design that so it's actually outside of the human audible range. So anytime we have a problem with some hardware, or maybe a problem with the manufacturing of the pad, or maybe when someone does the brakes, they don't do a very good job and get things dirty, then those brakes can start to vibrate within the human audible range, and that's how we get a squeak. A grinding typically is because we've allowed them to wear too far, and now instead of brake pad material against a metal rotor, we have what's called metal to metal, and so that's grinding. Sometimes we can have grinding under different temperatures if there's a high metallic content in the brake pad itself. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.